Alright, hey guys, my name is Jacob with Kingdom Overlanding. This will be a super awesome video today. We're doing a roof rack install on the trail. So it's a little non-conventional, but we're gonna make it happen. I'm here with my good buddy Skyler. This is his expedition, so we finally got this thing ready to rock and roll. Gonna put on his awesome build he's got going on here. I know he's got a lot of sweet things happening. Doing a Raptor swap. Full on the front suspension and possibly the rear. Still trying to work those details out, but with this roof rack, that's gonna be an awesome build. So excited about that. Stay tuned. I'm gonna give a brief description how we're doing this for all you other expedition owners, but enjoy the video and thanks for watching. All right, we got the factory roof rack off. Just a bunch of 10mm bolts, so super easy. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish the install on the Kingdom Overlanding roof rack. All right, the rack is on, fully installed. Looks great up there. This is a major upgrade for Skylar's Expedition, so he's got the entire platform ready now for all of his gear, spare tire, max tracks, fuel, rooftop tent, whatever he wants. So like I said, it's 1/4-inch aluminum, super thick, strong, never gonna break. There's no wind noise with the wind fairing up front, and then multiple crossbars along the side, so you can adjust those. There's slots there, so plenty of adjustability. And I mean, it's a really great option. So happy to get it on. It took us probably, I don't know, an hour, you know, to maybe an hour and a half, take it off the factory rack, and then put on this one. So super easy. So we're out here on the trail, I mean, just putzing around. He was awesome enough to come out from Vegas, so meet me halfway, or a lot more than halfway, actually. So yeah, if you guys are looking for an Expedition roof rack, check out my website. I'll put the link down below, kingdomoverlanding.com. And thanks for watching.